So we're going to talk about the event management system. So in this, first we're going to start with the event management system.java. It's the first class, or we can say the base class. So it extends JFrame, and we're going to look at the application now. Let's run it. So it's our first frame, event management. We have two options, as custom and as admin. So we have option to log in as a customer or maybe as an admin. Let's first try to log in as admin. So this is the login admin screen. Let's type a username and a password. So as we can see, there is no register button here. So it's because whenever we have this application, our username and password will be provided along with it. So let's see if we type wrong password, what happens. If we type wrong password, it says invalid login, and we can see here with the I have put a print command so we can see what statement was given to the database. So the database is connected and it showed me invalid login. Okay, so let's just try to log in with the correct ID and password this time. Okay, so let's log in. So we are in the login screen now. So this is Origami Train Wedding Planners welcome you. So it's an event management system. We have a reception here as an admin, so you can edit the changes as an admin. You have add venue, add photographer, add caterer, or you can go back. Event management system will show you all the venues, all the photographers and caterers. So let's first go and add a venue. So we are here at the add venue frame. So let's see if we have an ID. We put the name Taj Hotel. We'll find the image URL from the Google. Let's take an image. Let's take this one for instance. We'll copy image address and we'll paste it there. So it is in JPG format. Let's put a price, maybe 3 lakh. Capacity will be like 4,000. Facilities, let's say swimming pool. We have dining. We have terrace. We have rooms, obviously. Let's just take it. Let's say the description, the best hotel in Mumbai, and let's try to add it. So the venue was successfully added. Okay, let's see if it was added or not. Let's go to the services, to our databases. This is my database which is connecting. Events, tables. Let's view data. So yeah, the Taj Mahal hotel is there. So these are the earlier ones which I added before. Now let's try to add a photographer. So this is our photographer frame. Let's take an ID, maybe 12. Name, maybe Yash. Contact ID. Like 7,000. It charges for maybe 10 hours. Let's try to add. Oh, it didn't add because we had the duplicate ID for the same thing, and as I declared it to be primary, we cannot have the same IDs. So let's just try to run again. Photographer. Let's see first the background. to the previous page. Just add photograph referral this time. Take 43 ID. Raj ID. Price 7K. Charges for 7 hours. Well, that's it. So it was added successfully. Now let's see if we can add a caterer with ID 65. Caterer name. Menu, what he makes, he make pizza, he make burgers, he make Italy, he make a common, he make chopsy, maybe garlic bread. I guess that's enough for now. Let's put 200 per plate. So it was added successfully. So we see this frame. Now let's just log in again. And see the event management, maybe the venues. So we see the venue frame here. So if we go to the KK Royal, it will show me the KK Royal slide, everything about it, the name, the price, the capacity, the facilities, and the description. So now let's see if we can go back. Yes, we can. And let's figure out what the customer has to do. So in customer we have a register option, so multiple customers can register. Let's try to register one as a customer. Let's say any ID, maybe 50. Username, let's take Divya. Let's give it a phone number. Email ID, let's take it divya@gmail.com. Password, I'll take divya123 to make it easy, and let's register. Yeah, we were successful. Now let's try to log in with the same register ID. Let's see if we can. So we made an ID with Divya. Password was Divya123. Login. So this is our dashboard too. It is for the customers. We have the reception here. We can add an event. We can choose our menu. We can update profile details, and we can edit an event. So let's just add an event for now. So we have different event types. So we can have a marriage, we can have a birthday, anniversary, or breakup party. Let's say she had a breakup party. These are the hotels which we just added, and someone with the previous, so we can see the one hot mahal which we had. But let's take the party to the KK Royal. Photographer will be Jimmy. Caterer Ron will come. Let's put a date, maybe let's assign it to be on the 19th December, I guess. So we see the message and we see what was exactly added, and yeah, the event was added. So this is our event management app, uh, where we can where we can so this is our event management app. We can add and view as admins. Only admins are allowed to enter into the dashboard one, which is for the admins, and they can add photographers, caterers, and venues, as well as they can view them. For a customer, they can add an event, they can edit the event, they can edit their own profile, and they can build up their menu, but cannot add a photographer or caterer or maybe a venue. They can just select according to where they want to book an event. So this was it for today. Thank you.